Hey, y'all, welcome to the video. This is Toni with Eat and Travel with Toni. In this video, I'm actually taking my frozen cheesecake balls. I've already made the balls, had them in the freezer for a few days, and I'm packing them up in a plastic freezer bag so that I can place them back in the freezer to use for cookies later on. So definitely enjoy the video, y'all. This is part of my prepping for a cookie order I was making. So like I said, definitely enjoy the video. Do make sure that you subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive all the videos that upload from this point here on out. And this, of course, I make other food and baking videos, so check them out too, y'all. So again, this is Toni with Toni. I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.